Dear students, welcome to my channel. As you know, my channel's name is Vijay Kumar Raut, English 2.0. And today I will just shed light on past perfect. So learn it with the grammar vibes. So first of all, I will tell you, whenever you are trying to learn something else, instill in you high rate of inquisition. Be interested, be into what you are learning. As I am teaching, I am into teaching you, and to some extent in English and Odia today, I will teach you, I will set lights on past perfect, which is known as Pluperfect. Very few students know that Pluperfect is another name of past perfect. So past perfect in the sense, simply I can say hard played, hard gone, hard written, hard plus past participle, or third form is called past participle, past perfect. So in forming past perfect sentences, we have two actions, that is previous action and in subsequent action. In previous action, we use past perfect, and in the subsequent action, we use simple past. For example, I can say I had gone before he came. I posted letter about after I had written it. By the time Gandhi died, India had got freedom. So in examinations, questions comes like this: come to the board and say past perfect means perfect, as I just tell you. ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ଗୋଟେ କଥା ମୁଁ ତୁମକୁ କହିବି, ପାଷ୍ଟ ପରଫେକ୍ଟ ଅର୍ଥାତ୍ ହେଉଛି ହାର୍ଡ ଗନ୍, ହାର୍ଡ ପ୍ଲେଡ୍, ହାର୍ଡ ରିଟେନ୍. Whenever you find any sentence hard plus past participle, that is in past perfect sense, ଯେତେବେଳେ ତୁମେ ହାର୍ଡ ଗନ୍, ହାର୍ଡ ପ୍ଲେଡ୍ ଦେଖିବ ତାହା ପାଷ୍ଟ ପରଫେକ୍ଟରେ ଥିବ। ତେଣୁ ଆମେ ପାଷ୍ଟ ପରଫେକ୍ଟ କୋଉଠି ବସେଇବା? I had gone before he came, as I have told you. I posted it after I had written it. By the time Gandhi died, India had got independence. Before, after, by the time, short remove, any भी लिखली जो जगह ये तीनों टी after, before, by the time तो mind गाली वाला passport उठा हुआ है लिखी नहीं। I just dinner before I went to bed within brackets. It here we find before, be is here. So automatically it comes to our mind that you have to use hard plus past participle, that is hard eaten. I went to bed after I dashed dinner. So whenever you find after mind, past perfect comes to mind, that is you have to use hard plus eaten. By the time I went to bed, I dashed dinner. As we find by here, according to the formula ABB, after before by the time, we use hard eaten. So in past perfect sentence, we have two actions, that is previous action, subsequent action. Past perfect रे गोटे पूर्ववर्ती action थाए, गोटे परवर्ती action थाए. Previous action माने पूर्ववर्ती, subsequent वाला परवर्ती. Previous रे जोटा आगे ही थाए सेटा past मु परवर्ती अवस्था रे बुझाइबी, सेटा hard plus past participle बा past perfect रे हुए, एवं subsequent परवर्ती टा simply past हुए. जो subsequent थाए मु जोटा कहली simple past वाला, एटा previous action रे hard past participle वाला. এটা তোমরা লিখে নিও। ଆମେ ପରୀକ୍ଷା କରିବା previous action, subsequent action. I went, ମୁଁ 7ଟା ବେଳେ ଖାଇଲି, I went to bed, 8ଟା ବେଳେ ଗଲି। ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ଦେଖିବା ଯେ I had eaten before I went to bed, ମୁଁ ଯେହେତୁ 8ଟା ବେଳେ ଗଲି ବେଡକୁ, ଆगे ଖାଇସାରିଥିଲି, ତେଣୁ ପ୍ରିଭିୟସ୍ ହେଇଥିଲା, ଏଇଟା ହେଲା ସବସିକ୍ୱେଣ୍ଟ ଆକ୍ସନ୍, ଏଠି ହାର୍ଡ ଏଇଟା ହେଲା I went to bed, ମୁଁ 8ଟା ବେଳେ ଗଲି, ତା ପୂର୍ବରୁ ଖାଇବା ହେଇଥିଲା, ତେଣୁ ଆଫ୍ଟର I had eaten ହେଲା। ସବସିକ୍ୱେଣ୍ଟ ଆକ୍ସନ୍ ସିମ୍ପଲି ପାଷ୍ଟ, ଭଲ ଭାବରେ ମନେ ରଖ, ସବସିକ୍ୱେଣ୍ଟ ଆକ୍ସନ୍ ସିମ୍ପଲି ପାଷ୍ଟ, ପ୍ରିଭିୟସ୍ ଆକ୍ସନ୍ଟା ପାଷ୍ଟ ପରଫେକ୍ଟରେ ବ୍ୟବହାର କରିବାକୁ ପଡ଼ିବ। ଏଇଟା ଭଲ ଭାବରେ ମନେ ରଖ। ମାଇଣ୍ଡରେ ଗୋଟିଏ କଥା ରହୁ, ଯେତେବେଳେ ଗୋଟିଏ ପାଷ୍ଟ ପରଫେକ୍ଟ ସେଣ୍ଟେନ୍ସ ହବ, ସେ ଜାଗାରେ ଦୁଇଟି ଆକ୍ସନ୍ ଥିବା ଦରକାର। I went to bed ଠିକ୍, କିନ୍ତୁ I had gone to bed ଟା ଭୁଲ, he had arrived yesterday ଟା ଭୁଲ। he had arrived yesterday ଭୁଲ ହେଇଥିପାଇଁ, ଯେହେତୁ ଏଲ୍ ୱାଇ ଏଗୋ ଲାଷ୍ଟ yesterday ଇୟର ଥାଏ, ସେଥିରେ ସିମ୍ପଲି ପାଷ୍ଟ ହୁଏ, ଏଠି ହାର୍ଡ ଏଇଟ୍ ହବନି। ଗୋଟିଏ କ୍ଲଜ୍ ଥିଲେ I had gone ଭୁଲ, I had gone before I came, ଦିଟା ପ୍ରିଭିୟସ୍ ଆକ୍ସନ୍, ସବସିକ୍ୱେଣ୍ଟ ଆକ୍ସନ୍ ରହିବ, ଏଇଟା ଲେଖିନି। मन रख गोटे इंग्रेज फिल्म अच्छी जार ना हूँ मेमेंटो 2000 रे होता मेमेंटो चैलेंज और रिवर्स डोमिनोस जोटा कह जाए ये भल मन था ये गोटे फिल्म बढ़िया कथा जाइए सब बैकवर्ड जिनस आस देख बिफोर आई वांट टू बेड मो बिछण जा पूर्व आई हैड टेकन डिनर खाई सारी बिफोर आई टुक डिनर सिंपल पास्ट होगा आई हैड कंप्लीटेड होमवर्क बिफोर आई कंप्लीटेड होमवर्क आई हैड नोटेड डाउन important points before I noted down important points I had covered grammar police is a book which is written by me ତେଣୁ ଆମେ ଏଇଭଳି ଭାବରେ ଏଟାକୁ ଆମେ କରିପାରିବା ନମ୍ବରଟାକୁ ଲେଖିନିଅ ଆମର ଥିଲା before I had covered grammar police ମୁଁ ତ simple past କରିବି before I covered grammar police I had done exercise before I did exercise I had messaged my muscle before I messaged my muscle I had practiced warm-ups before I practiced warm-ups I had taken a glass of milk এইଭଳି ଭାବରେ ପୁଣି ଚାଲିବା ଆମେ ଯଦି ତାକୁ ପୁଣି କରିବା before I took a glass of water I had practiced meditation ପୁଣି ତାକୁ କରିବା before I practiced meditation ଏଭଳି ଭାବରେ ଚେନ୍ ଡ୍ରିଲ୍ ଭଳିଆ ଏଟାକୁ ଚେନ୍ ଡ୍ରିଲ୍ ବି କହନ୍ତି ଏଟାକୁ ଆକ୍ଚୁଆଲି ମେମେଣ୍ଟୋ ଚ୍ୟାଲେଞ୍ଜ ବା ରିଭର୍ସ ଡୋମିନୋ ମନେ ରଖ ଏଟାକୁ ତମେ ଲେଖିଦେବ ପିଲାମାନେ ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ମୁଁ ତୁମ ପାଇଁ ଗୋଟେ ପୋଏମ୍ ଲେଖିଛି ପାଷ୍ଟ ପରଫେକ୍ଟ ଉପରେ I have composed this poem. This is my own concoction. So read it out and try to keep it in mind so that it will be easier to use past perfect and to identify past perfect and to teach past perfect and to learn past perfect. Learn past perfect. It is also known as pluperfect. Perfect your tense without tense. Learn your tense using sense. Past perfect had two actions. Previous and subsequent with a notion. এটা তুমি লিখে নিও কিছু কোশ্চেন তারপরে করে দেবে দেখো সেই মেমেন্টো চ্যালেঞ্জ বা রিভার্স ডোমিনো কথা চিন্তা করিবা বিফোর আই স্টার্টেড দিস ভিডিও অ্যাকচুয়ালি দিস ভিডিও আই হ্যাড ওয়ার্কড এ লট before I worked a lot I had thought a lot before I thought a lot I had gone through many books similarly before I went through different books I had decided to do this ଏଭଳି ଭାବରେ ଗୋଟେ ଚେଣ୍ଡ୍ରି ଭଳିଆ ଚାଲିବ ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ଦେଖ ଗୋଟେ ବଢିଆ କଥା ପରୀକ୍ଷାରେ ପଡେ I ate full stop then I went to bed ଆଗେ କୋଉଟା ହେଲା ମୁଁ ଖାଇଲି କେତେବେଳେ ଖାଇଲି ମନେକର ମୁଁ 7ଟା ବେଳେ ଖାଇଲି बेड केतବେଳେ ଗଲି ମନେକର 8ଟା ବେଳେ ଗଲି ଆଗେ କୋଉ କାମ ହେଲା ନା 7ଟା ଯୋଉଟା ଆଗେ ହୁଏ ତାକୁ କ'ଣ କହନ୍ତି ପ୍ରିଭିୟସ୍ ଯୋଉଟା ପଛେ ହୁଏ ତାକୁ କ'ଣ କହନ୍ତି ସବସିକ୍ୱେଣ୍ଟ ତାହେଲେ ପ୍ରିଭିୟସ୍ ସବସିକ୍ୱେଣ୍ଟ ପାଇଲେ କ'ଣ ହୁଏ ନା ସେଟା ପାଷ୍ଟ ପରଫେକ୍ଟ ହୁଏ ତାର ଆନ୍ସର କଲେ ଆଇ ୱେଣ୍ଟ ଟୁ ବେଡ୍ ଆଫ୍ଟର ଆଇ ହ୍ୟାଡ୍ ଇଟେନ୍ କାରଣ ଆଗେ ଖାଇଥିଲେ ଏଟା ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ଏଟାକୁ ତମେ ଲେଖିଦେବ ମୁଁ କିଛି କୋଶ୍ଚିନ୍ ଦେବି ତାକୁ ନିଜେ ତମେ ସଲ୍ଭ କରିବ ଏବଂ ଫେର ବି କହୁଛି ମନେ ରଖ ଏ ପାଟର୍ନଟି ଯୋଉଟା ଆଗେ ହେଇଛି जोटा सर्वप्रथम 7टार सेटारे हार्ड डन हार्ड पास्ट परफेक्ट हम जोटा 8टार सिंपल पास्ट हम जोटा 8टार सिंपल पास्ट हम सॉरी जोटा 8टार पुणी जोटा 8टार सेटा पास्ट परफेक्ट हम जोटा 9टार सेटा सिंपल पास्ट हम पुणी जोटा 9टार सेटा सिंपल पास्ट जोटा पुणी 9टार सेटा पास्ट परफेक्ट हम जोटा 10टार सेटा तुम सिंपल पास्ट हम एगेन जोटा 10टार है सेटा हूँ पास्ट परफेक्ट जोटा 11टार है सेटा हूँ तुम सिंपल पास्ट जोटा 11टार है सेटा पास्ट परफेक्ट जोटा 12टार है सेटा सिंपल पास्ट ये मन रख किसी क्वेश्चन दूसरी तुम ताको लेकिन प्रैक्टिस कर देख किसी क्वेश्चन देती तुम घरे कर मुझे बर्तमान कहूँ जो आफ्टर बिफोर बाय द टाइम तो इन शॉर्ट तक मन रख एबीबी द पेशेंट डाइट Then the doctor came within bracket before I could join karibo out of past perfect tense hobo by the time the minister came the officer dashed the room within bracket leave by the time I posted letter after I dash it within bracket right by the time police caught him he dashed poison within bracket take এটা বলা কম মাউদি চাটা কোশ্চেন মাত্র দেবি তো ঘরে প্র্যাকটিস করিব देखो केते गोटे सेंटेंस मु कहूची ताको मार्क करो एटा why they become past perfect. I had gone before he came. By the time Gandhi died, India had got some freedom. I posted letter after reading it. I had visited the place before he arrived. ଏଭଳି ଗୋଟେ କହିବାର କଥା ହେଉଛି ଯେ ଏଇଟା ଡେଫିନେଟଲି କଥା ଯୋଉ ପାଖରେ ଆଫ୍ଟର ବିଫୋର ବାଇ ଦି ଟାଇମ୍ ଥିବ ଯୋଉ ସୂତ୍ରଟାକୁ ମୁଁ କରିଛି ABB ଆଫ୍ଟର ବିଫୋର ବାଇ ଦି ଟାଇମ୍ ସେଇ ଜାଗାରେ ପାଷ୍ଟ ପରଫେକ୍ଟ ବ୍ୟବହାର କରାଯାଏ ଏବଂ ଯଦି ଗୋଟିଏ କେବଳ ଆକ୍ସନ୍ ଥାଏ ଯଦି ପ୍ରିଭିୟସ୍ ଆକ୍ସନ୍ ସବସିକ୍ୱେଣ୍ଟ ଆକ୍ସନ୍ କିଛି ନାହିଁ କେବଳ ଥିବ ମନେକର ହି ହାଡ୍ ଡାଏଡ୍ ଭୁଲ ହି ଡାଏଡ୍ ଓନ୍ଲି ଡାଏଡ୍ ହି ହାଡ୍ ଡାଏଡ୍ ବିଫୋର ଦି ଡକ୍ଟର କେମ୍ ଦିଟା ଆକ୍ସନ୍ ପ୍ରିଭିୟସ୍ ମନେ ରଖ प्रीवियस एक्शन रे पास्ट परफेक्ट हुए सब्सिक्वेंट एक्शन रे सिंपल पास्ट हुए मन रख एवं ए बी बी एटा को भल भाव लिखि प्रैक्टिस करो एवं मते जहाँ कमेंट दरकार लिखिदेव एवं किसी कथा मुझे करी किसी नुआ कथा जोटा को मेमेंटो फिल्म रू 2000 जोटा होता मेमेंटो फिल्म जोटा मेमेंटो चैलेंज बा रिवर्स डोमिनोस कर नुआ जिनस मन रख आउ दुईटा एक्शन कथा मन रख टोटाल एबी जो एक्रोनिम को এটা তো আলফাবেটিজম কই করো এটা লিখো এটা প্র্যাকটিস করো এবং কোশ্চেন সব তৈরি করো মনরু সপোজ মদর ড্যাশ দি মিল বিফোর আই কেম ব্র্যাকেট রাখো মদর হার্ড কুকড সেটা বিফোর আছে আফটার ଥିଲେ ବି ସେ ହେବ বাই দি টাইম ଥିଲେ ବି ସେ ହେବ সেটা ଭଲ ভালো লিখি দিও যে ସବୁବେଳେ মনে রাখো যে ফার্স্ট অফ all my dear students I'm telling you those who are reading in medium schools or English medium schools, those are reading in CBSE schools, ICSE schools, they should first of all think that past perfect are two actions, previous action and subsequent actions. In previous actions, we use past perfect form, and in subsequent actions, we use simple past. So whenever you find in a sentence after there is after or before or by the time simple past perfect, the idea of past perfect should come to your mind. Forget about anything and just remember this. The past formula is A, B, B after before by the time, and in past perfect tense there are two actions, previous action, subsequent action. You just learn the rules I have mentioned, and I have also given the Memento challenge of the reverse Dominos. That's a new technique that I have cultivated it from the film Memento, and go through this and see the miraculous effect. You will never fail in past perfect. And finally, I am telling you that. There are out of these 12 tenses, every tense has four forms. Your simple, continuous, perfect, continuous. 4 into 3 tenses 12. These 12 tenses should be on the tip of your tongue, so that what will happen? You will just have a mastery, and wherever you go, you must have that adequate confidence to face the situation. So, my dear students. Just learn these rules and practice this. ପିଲାମାନେ ଏଟାକୁ ଭଲ ଭାବରେ ମନେ ରଖ ଏଟାକୁ ମୁଁ ବହୁତ କଥା ଚିନ୍ତା କରିଛି ତ ବହୁତ ଭଲ ଲାଗିବ ଇଫ୍ ୟୁ ଲାଇକ୍ ଦିସ୍ ଶେୟାର ଆଣ୍ଡ ସବସ୍କ୍ରାଇବ୍ ଥ୍ୟାଙ୍କ ୟୁ ଗଡ୍ ବ୍ଲେସ୍ ୟୁ ହାପି ଏକ୍ସାମିନେସନ୍